looking forward to this. Oh, that was good. It is a beautiful day and there is a beautiful beach out here. I think I need to make a bonfire.